Time for another DIY Network Rehab Addict Quick Tip.
Hi, I'm Nicole Curtis. If you're on the hunt for an old home, don't let the existing floor plan scare you. There's always a way to make it work for your family. A lot of old homes have had their original layouts modified, especially when they've been turned into multiple family homes. It's funny because once you get demoing all this, then you see where the original structure was. By moving doors. This is such a better place for this door. And rearranging walls. The drywall's going up super fast. You can bring any house back to its original layout. The walls are up, I see the layout, I love it. Or you can create something new that works better for your family. This is one of those rare occasions where I'm going to take out an original wall, we're going to move it back a foot, just so we can have 36 inches in this hallway. The house is finally starting to take shape.
For all things home improvement, go to DIYnetwork.com 24/7.